Alright guys, how's it going? Peanut there, he's a bit of a hungry horse at the minute, having his dinner. We're up here at the top of Mount Laguna camping again. We're in a little campsite up near the top of Mount Laguna. It's about 6,000 feet up. But it's normally quiet, but the guys that work here, they're over that way somewhere operating some machinery, so you might hear that. Other than that, you can't hear a pin drop here normally. Well, anyway, enough waffling. We've got another little beauty to look at here. And this is another Ozark trail. Yeah, another little Wally Mart special. And that's another 7-inch folding knife. Yeah, same title. But I like this one a lot. Blade centering was a little to the left, but I've altered it and I've got it dead center, and I've oiled up the nylon washers that are in there, and I might replace them nylon washers with bronze at some point. But yeah, because I like this one quite a bit. I love the size of it. It's really quite thin, narrow and petite, even though it's a 7-inch folder. We've got the thumb studs and a flipper tab with a little bit of notch work in there. Opens up really nice. Look at that little blade there. It's a really nice little pickle stabber. It's really quite pokey. Was that a reverse tanto or somewhat of a Wonkwliffy type shape to it? But it's got this nice little bit of belly to it here, so it makes it a really nice slicer, you know, if you're cutting up your vegetables or something, camping, like I'm camping right now. And that finger groove works nice. There's a little indent in the, I don't know what plastic this is, G10, whatever. It's all plastic really, G10 or whatever. But we've got a lanyard hole there if you wanted to, but it's not in your face, it's not nasty. We've got the red anodized stainless steel liners there, a couple of barrel spacers at the back. The construction is pretty strong. You've got a pivot screw either end here, so you just take off the deep pocket clip to get to this pivot screw here. But I love that blade. Look at that blade. That's like a bit of a hollow grind there. And I can't speak enough about Ozark Trail's hollow grind. It really is something. And that grind on the edge there, it's perfect. Both sides, perfect. All the way, front to back. Let's check out the thumb studs. Yeah, there they are there. Yeah, lovely. Took me just a couple of minutes to get this tuned up real nice. Like I say, perfectly centered blade now, and it's flipping awesome. So there you go guys, just wanted to show you this thing. It's even got a nice sort of sound to it. Thumb studs. Quite a thin, slicey blade. A little bit of grip up on the top of the blade here. Deep pocket carry clip. It's perfect. It's a perfect little knife. I love it. And how much was it? It was under $6. Can't go wrong. I got 2 of them. I took a chance and I'm really pleased. I'm gonna have to get another one probably, because I've already planning to send one out. Alright, thanks for watching guys. We're gonna get a bit of camping done up here for the next few days or so. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great week. Catch you later guys. Get down Wally Land and get yourself one. They're pretty nice. It's all gone quiet now over there. Typical. Catch you later guys. Oh fuck.